One of the best ways to plan for a digital transformation is to attend a industry conference. But what are people thinking about in today's conferences here in 2024? That's what I want to talk about here today. My name is Eric Kimberly. I'm the CEO of Third Stage Consulting. We're an independent consulting firm that helps clients throughout the world with their digital transformation journey. And I'm here in Nashville, Tennessee in the United States at the annual Epicor Insights Conference. And as you can see, there's a lot of people here this year, and there's a lot of people to learn from. So what I want to do today is talk to several people that are here at this conference to learn more about what's on top of mind for them and some of the lessons that they have coming into this conference. So what are you most excited about and looking forward to at this conference?
This is a great conference for us to meet with our team and our customers face-to-face. We look forward to this annual event, and we invite lots of our customers, and we do have some prospects here as well. So great opportunity to learn from them and then learn how we can help better improve their operation.
Awesome.
Seeing my customers, which I always love to face with them, and just being able to catch up, see what's going on with their businesses, and just understand what's going on new.
See how they're using the software,
Exactly.
what help they need, and that sort of thing.
Yep,
That's always exciting.
absolutely.
Jonathan, how are you?
Hey Eric, good to see you.
Good to see you. Even though you're a competitor, I've got to ask you a couple questions. Are you open to that?
Of course.
All right, so first thing, what are you most excited about at this conference? What are you looking forward to?
I mean, I'm really looking forward to seeing what Epicor is doing from an innovation side on Profit 21 and Kinetic. They are now releasing major functionality biannually, and so we need to stay on top of it for our prospects and for our existing clients that are implementing.
Great.
I would say the exposure today with this. We're Aileron Software, and this is really our first event, getting to meet the folks from Epicor.
Great. That's awesome.
The best thing about Insights is reconnecting to all of our clients and all the people, meeting new people. We have so many of our clients who come by and just want to say hi, and hey, that project's going really well, or thanks for helping us with this. I think that's hands down the best part about Insights.
It's just a great time to network with others, similar interests, looking at people that are in our industry, manufacturing.
So what are you most excited about? What are you looking forward to at this conference?
Well, it's always good to come to a vendor conference and see what's new with any vendor. With Epicor, they've invested so much time and money in some of the products. I'm really looking forward to what they've done with what they say is artificial intelligence, and I like what they said at the keynote presentation this morning. It says, go with your gut. It may not be there, so go with your gut. I really like what they had to say about that.
So I'm really looking forward to meet other customers and what's new in the ERP trend, like what's the Epicor roadmap. What is the customer looking for now with the partners these days?
Oh my gosh, just seeing the amount of people here, it's really exciting. So I'm wanting to learn about what they're looking for and how to help people.
Yeah, I mean, there's 4,000 or more people.
4,500 people.
4,500, it's a lot of people for sure.
Ton of people here.
Yeah.
I think Epicor's strategy is gelling and coming together. And so when it comes down to the journey of our customers and their ability to consume Epicor, manufacturers tend to be a little more measured. And in my experience, it's been really having that safe place they can move forward with technology. So as you heard this morning, AI, and it's obviously not new, but it's more composable and more digestible by our customers. So I think for me, that seeing our clients be able to realize the benefits now is where we're at.
It's a big deal, right? So that's what some of the experts have to say, but I'm curious to hear from you. What trends are you most excited about in the ERP space? And if you're going to conferences this year or anytime soon, what are you most excited about? I'd love to hear your feedback. Please drop those in the comments below. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about ERP systems in the market and some of the trends and best practices and top 10 software rankings and other independent tech agnostic advice, be sure to download our 2024 Digital Transformation Report. It's a free report we publish each year that covers a lot of the different things you're going to need to know to be successful in your digital transformation. You can download that by scanning the QR code right here in front of you or go to the links below. So if you found this information useful, and hope you have a great day. He's a competitor. We got to cut this. No.